See their designs are really cute and really pretty. It's very soft. My goodness, I'm in love with this fabric because I have a lot of Victoria's Secret, but not all of them are. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Philine, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And today's video, it's going to do unboxing. Why would I act like that? Why? Anyway guys, I'm always excited to unbox new things or even same product at the same all the time. I don't know, but thank you for coming here in my YouTube channel. And if this is the content you like to watch here in YouTube, I do a lot of unboxing hauls, and I do some reviews, and I also do sell the product. So it is very possible that whatever I unbox, you can see it in my Mercari, or you can contact me in my email down below. Oh, yes. Finding Good Deals and Review is my Facebook page. I post my videos there. I also post some deals in Amazon. So, but this time I don't post a lot. So, okay. Anyhow, let's do it. So this product I already tried on. So this will be unboxing and review. Yes, reviews. Disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I just want to share with you my experience with this product because I believe that I am happy using this product and I want to share it to you. Okay? All right. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, it's another panty haul. In case you're thinking like, what is she doing? She is been unboxing a lot of panties. So we're going to do some reviews for this panty. And I have one that is not. So that's the only one that is not panty, but the rest is panties. So I'm going to review this one to you, and the reason why I buy it again because look, so this is made by cotton, so you can see the detail, and this is like cotton and modal. Oh, this one is 100% cotton. So this is really very nice and smooth to your skin. So I am sharing it with you because I've been using it myself and it's really comfortable. Yes, it's very comfortable. Yeah. So whatever the benefit. Okay, so I have few designs. I have quite a bit of these designs. Although it's a little bit lacy, but that is completely fine. And this is like with these are all cotton, so this fabric is really very nice on my skin. So what I've been using right now is I wanted to share it with you, so that's why I bought more of these underwears, and I will link down the first unboxing that I have because I don't want to go through these every one of them because it's going to be a very long video. So I have this kind of design, the long high-waisted underwear. It's very comfortable as well. And I have the bikini. I have this. Oh, this is the same as the other one. So this is very soft and it's flowery. And we also have here, what is this? What did I order? Okay, so I ordered a maxi dress. See, it's maxi dress, and this is made by Soma as well. This is Soma, this is maxi dress, and this is Hang on, where is the cotton thing? Or okay, so originally this is $99, but of course I did not pay $99 for this. I believe I had to pay $20. This is really long because it's maxi. Yes, maxi dress. And inside it has a built-in bra, which is non-underwire, but it says maximum support, meaning it can really hold your girls pretty good. And you know, you can do your errands with this. This is not some kind of light material to just, you know, this is really this is built for durability. Yes, so this, I haven't tried this on yet, but hopefully it will fit on me because I like them. And hang on, let me see the other. See, their designs are really cute and really pretty. It's very soft. My goodness, I'm in love with this fabric because I have a lot of Victoria's Secret, but not all of them are cotton. So this one is a game changer. So for you to buy this, not a full price. So every year they have a sale. Some of them goes $4. Some of them like 6 to 30 something dollars, or 6 for $50. It depends, but they always have this kind of time of the year that they will get rid of those styles and they will go on sale. And when that happens, you buy them quite a bit. So far that's about it. I don't need to remove each one of them, but oh, let me see, I will show you the print as well, since you've seen the other print. This one is really nice print. See that one? They're very soft, and I like it when they're high leg and even bikini, because I've tried their bikini. It's really comfortable and it's breathable and it's nice. So it's nice to your skin. It's not itchy or anything like that. So yes, and thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate if you subscribe into my channel, and hope this helps you, my unboxing and reviews, why this product, that I choose this product, that I'm using this product nowadays. So hopefully this helps you elevate your experience with underwear, especially panties. Yes, and their bra are also really pretty good, but the style that I like, their full support bra, they don't go on sale. So I wouldn't recommend that very well when in terms of price, but when in terms of functionality and comfort, they are one of the best. Actually, for me, that is the best. Okay, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.